new day, a new adventure. What will it be today? A hike? Some yoga? Maybe it's a day for work. Or maybe it's time to head out into the world and explore someplace new. Introducing the Bindle Bottle. The world's first fully insulated water bottle with integrated storage for your everyday carry. We wanted to make our bottle multifunctional, practical, and convenient. Whether you want unmatched freedom and protection with your everyday carry, or stealth and security when you're out in the world, the Bindle Bottle has you covered. No more loose cards and cash tucked into waistbands or sports bras. No more uneasiness from leaving valuables in public. No more forgetting to bring that one thing. Now you can live on your terms, untethered by your belongings, knowing you'll stay hydrated and your stuff will stay safe. Hi Kickstarter, my name's Houston, the inventor of the Bindle Bottle. My mission from day one has been to develop a smarter system to keep you hydrated and organized. We are bringing this product to life because we want to give everyone the freedom to do and bring what they want wherever they go.
Our ways of listening to music have evolved through time. But in pursuit of the best audio, we've been limited at a listening sweet spot. What if we can expand the sweet spot? What if we can create a sweet zone where you can roam freely and still enjoy the best sound in every corner? Meet Upstage 360, the 360-degree high-res smart speaker that gives you the ultimate audio quality in an enveloping soundstage. Supported by audio industry leader Sound Matters, Upstage 360 is equipped with 8 drivers, and it integrates 3-way audio into one simple setup. Covering an ultra-wide frequency range of 40 Hz to 40 kHz, it accurately reproduces all the audio details with high-resolution quality. With the patented ball cone acoustic reflection design, Upstage 360 distributes uniform sound waves that fills the room with the best sound. Hey Alexa, play my favorite song. It is also compatible with Echo Dot, Chromecast, and wireless streaming. Let music charge up your life and help you concentrate, relax, calm your spirit, and even sleep better. We believe music is an inseparable part of life. Upstage 360 merges all the best qualities in one and invites you to explore the next level audio enjoyment together.
Do not worry about it anymore. Dear Bros, the first project for the brothers who dream of being a real man. Now, to become a real man, Hook, a powerful hook. Real hook for real man. Shave Man. Shave Man is a razor vibration applicator that turns a disposable razor into a vibrating razor. Using a micro vibration, it reduces skin irritation during shaving and helps to make shaving more clean. No matter what razor brand you use, Shave Man can be fitted to almost any disposable razors on the market. By pressing the button, you can adjust the vibration intensity of 3 steps so you can make a smooth and clean shave according to your beard thickness. Shave Man is IPX6 waterproof and easy to clean. After washing, simply shake off the water and put it on top of the charger. The battery will be charged and the razor will not touch the floor, so you can keep the shaver hygienic.
Introducing the Jinni, the first device that makes Alexa practical in your car and outdoors. It can also be used with Siri for iPhone users.
Alexa, set home temperature to 72 degrees.
Setting home temperature to 72 degrees.
Hello, Jinni.
Text from John. Looking forward to tonight. See you soon.
Okay, Google, send text to John.
What's the message?
I'm stuck in traffic. I'll be 10 to 15 minutes late.
Got it. Do you want to send it?
Yes.
Okay. Message sent.
Okay, Google, find alternate route home.
Your home is 30.
By giving you access to the strengths and features of both Alexa and OK Google, Jinni empowers you to do more on the go. In addition to always-on mode, which allows you to speak directly to whichever assistant you want, touch and talk mode gives you ultimate battery life.
Turn on the lights.
Okay.
Ask August to unlock the front door.
I've asked August to unlock the front door.
Jinni's battery lasts up to 7 to 10 days in touch and talk mode, and up to a day in always-on mode. If you touch both at the same time, you toggle between always-on or touch and talk mode.
Alexa, reorder shampoo.
The top search result for shampoo is our natural shampoo. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Thanks. Order placed.
Okay, Google, play music. Hello?
Hey man, we're still going to Capitol, right?
Hey, yeah, I'm getting ready. I'll be there in 20 minutes.
Cool, see you there.
See ya, man. Alexa, ask Lyft for a ride.
The nearest Lyft driver is 3 minutes away from your home. Should I call you a Lyft?
Yes.
With Jinni, all of your favorite voice assistants are with you wherever you go.